Hey man, say man. It's your boy Beau Rakes, man. Alright guys, what's going on? It's your boy Beau Rakes coming to you live from Verde. Alright, welcome to the project. Thank you guys for rocking with the channel for so long. And I promised you guys a tour of the house, so here we go. It's just real life in the Dominican Republic, man. Give y'all a little drone shot real quick. So the rooftop on the right, that's for our unit. The rooftop on the left is to the homie. He's always out of town, so we just recently resealed the top and put another coat of clear and white paint on there. So my man got to come over there and straighten his up. We about to do a rooftop project real soon. So this is Verde, man. This is where we at. This is where we live in the Dominican Republic, North Coast, directly across the street from Playa Dorado. So it's just real, man. The trash guy just came. You know, in Dominican Republic, they don't give a damn. So you just see, might be still a little trash in the yard. But hey, here we go. Your boy Beau Rakes come to the crib. And yeah, man, I just looking at it, I gotta get the place repainted. But one of the subscribers, he's like, man, Beau, we never seen the inside of the spot. I think I've shown the inside a couple times, but here's a updated, recent, realistic of how the place look on the inside. And once we do the rooftop renovations, I'll show you guys, do an update for you guys too. But beautiful Dominican Republic, chilling, man. Just a day sitting at the house talking shit with some of the homies over. Shout out to all my boys from Phillies. Shout out to everybody from New York, Atlanta, Canada in the building. Shout out to Tasha, man. If y'all ever see Tasha around Puerto Plata. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Beau Rakes coming to you live from Verde. All right, so today I'm gonna give y'all a tour of the apartment. All right, you got shades outside, a little fan up there, and you just sit here and hide out, smoke your little cigars, you know, and chill. So you see where we at in Verde, a little overcast today. They just dumped the trash, so I gotta go pick them papers up in a minute. So I got a couple people over having some drinks and bullshit, and so if y'all know my people, say what's up. So we got the mirror tint on here. Shout out to Fast Freddy. Only thing I really dislike about a lot of this is the paint. Every couple of years you have to repaint the building. Next building I build is gonna be brick, or like, you know how like in the States they do like two side, front side brick, something like that. So we got a couple guests over here. If you ever see this nigga here, real life licensed therapist, but he be at the bar giving free advice and you know, diagnosing motherfuckers on the spot. all that shit. So ain't nobody been over here since the renovation. And my nephew was here, like Tasha said, it looked like Beirut, and it looked like a trap house. So it don't look like a trap house no more. But even though it's small, it still seems kind of spacious. You know, I make sure ain't nobody got no cocaine on the table, and then I'm make sure. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, get that off. Get that off. You know we over. Yeah. There you go. All right, this is the laundry room. What my nephew is using this for right here, Tasha? Shit. All right, so this is the laundry room right here. Got the inverters. So we took the inverters out the hallway and put them up in there. Put a sliding door right here. Got the AC going. So I couldn't find a whole stove, so I bought two pieces and just put them together, and so it looks like a whole flat top. I think this shit came from Jumbo. This nigga. So Tasha, you live 2 blocks away, right? Yes. We technically neighbors. Yes. So Tasha been over here 5 years?
6 yesterday.
6 yesterday. Oh, so we ain't really got nothing special in there. Decent. Tasha, that's gonna be hard for you to be motherfucking decent.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we just over here hanging out. Tasha, where you originally from?
This is Ontario.
There you go. And I got my man right here. I ain't gonna tell y'all where he from. Philly, North Philly, North Philly. All right, with an F. North Philly. Don't get it twisted. Y'all know I am Atlanta. You know, depending on what city I'm in, what country, and they call me Black Daddy. You seen one bathroom, you seen it all. Seen one bathroom, you see it all. You know, my favorite color now is like this green. So, got that redone. Little stuff. So you put the mirror right there so it gets you a little, you know, make it feel like a little bigger. All right, so, you know. All right, this the other room. So originally, I think I had a king size in here. I had to get rid of the king because it was just taking up space. My king size came from my other apartment, but switched it to the queen. Got a little space. Took the closet mirrors out and put these up in here. So that opened the place up. So we got blackout curtains. Got the blackout. Brother got handle a little business. Got to have a little printer. All right. All right. So you got the ceiling fan. So shout out to my brother Mike. Mike over here holding it down. So this, you know, this is a family house, man. So, all right. So this bathroom, that was just open. Put that in there. If you ever been over here with my nephew, lived over here, it looked totally different. Nigga Mike Bougie. Shout out to my bro, Big Mike. You see that? Come on, nigga. Come on now. You know how I love a toilet. Come on now, toilet bidet, man. Come on, player. See how we doing it. Hear that flush. All right, so you know the windows tinted. Took that out, extra storage, another queen bed. It's spacious, man. It's all you need in the DR. That's all you need. Got my homies over here shooting the shit. Tosh, you got any words of wisdom for the people? What they need to know if they come and move to DR? We ain't gonna talk. This guy right here owned about 10 houses in DR, apartments, trap houses, all type of shit. He over here slumming it today with us. Shout out my man Munt bought downstairs. We only see him. He on witness protection, so you don't see him much. So. Tasha, what we got any word of wisdom, advice? And I want to say, this gets off topic, but I think Sosua is a better place since they got rid of all them hoes.
I'm inclined to believe that. So along with that, if they didn't know you, what the fuck would they do? And once you get here, you'll understand what that means.
There you go. All right, guys. So I don't know how to work this door. This door is insane. All right, so you got the code on the door. It's a real fancy door. Take y'all to the roof. This is the seating I had at the cigar bar. Like I said, it's a little overcast today. We put the tent on the windows, but the tent seems to be Alright, so the next project, I swear I painted this building like 2 years ago. It need to be repainted again. We're gonna check and see who got that lot. We trying to get that lot. That person right there owns that lot. And you know, we got the internet over here. We got the Starlink up on the roof. This is gonna be a project. So this was the original jacuzzi. And so we get a new jacuzzi. We're gonna put a pergola out here. We're gonna have a TV on the wall. That's a new project that's coming. We'll have that done in a couple months. But yeah, man, welcome to my Dominican crib. You know, and the funny thing is, my apartment used to be around the corner, but it's like a family house. So anybody need a place to stay, people can stay. This spot right here is paid for. We owe nothing on this place right here. So everybody here own their place outright. So cool little spot. First development in Dominican Republic. Pretty cool. And you know, we're in one of the best neighborhoods in Puerto Plata. You know, so what I think about doing is repainting, but get away from the white, because the white just, we're gonna probably go with a color like that. The white just always needs to be repainted, bro. And you know, we gotta get this guy right here that owns this apartment building and us are getting together. We're gonna pave this road, because a lot of the roads in Verde are trash. So that is what it is. So guys, it's your boy Beau Rakes. Y'all got a tour of one of my Dominican properties. This is the first project that was completed. So we did this tour because somebody asked me. They never seen inside of the condo. So it's just us, day in the life, just random day. I think today is Tuesday, and we just over here chilling. Shout out to my boy Chemo Lit right there. All right, y'all got any? These just random photos. We don't really know who none of these motherfuckers is.
For everything though.
Yeah, because nobody got any babies or any mamas in here. It's just regular stage photos and shit. So we can rent this spot out when we not here. So, you know, you ever need, you know, if it ain't rented out, ain't nobody over here, you need a place to cheat on your old lady at, give me a call. You know, I'm from the fuckery and the debauchery.
We're not gonna keep promoting fuckery. We said we were turning over a new leaf.
Turning over a new leaf. That's why we got Tasha here to keep us in line. And you know, it's just a regular day. Cigars, whiskey, beer. You know, tell some lies and look at a couple thighs. You know, Tasha thinking a stack of 100. You know, it's some 25-year-old bitches don't look as good as Tasha. We gonna sit up under this AC, tell some lies, and chill out. So we'll see y'all in the future. Fight the power, stay black, keep it gangster. No Philly. Fight the power, nigga. No Philly. Alright, we out.
That's your chicken and shit right there and shit. So
Okay.
however you want to do it.
Yeah.